It's all filled up. Let's quick little floor. All done. Okay, so this is day 5, and as we saw in the last video, I had to fix that bonding flange. The carpenter screwed up by popping it, and I had to reset it. So I did that, and then I came here and installed some Dietra in this tiny little half bathroom. I put this Dietra down in this tiny little half bathroom, and it's got 6 by 24 inch plank tile, and I'm going to be setting that today. So the GC went over there on Sunday to fill the pan with water to flood test it. So when I go there, I don't know what I'm going to find, if it's still going to be filled with water, or if it's going to be, or if he goes and empties it out and checks the level. I don't know. I'm going to put this floor down, and then I'm going to head over there and check that out. Okay, quick little floor. All done. The vanity is going to be covering that over there. There was no point tiling over there. We didn't have any extra tile, so just covered what we had to. He'll shove it up in the back there and put the tile in. I mean, put the vanity in. So that's the floor. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then I'll be off back to that master bathroom. Okay, so made it back to this bathroom, but the GC got locked out on Sunday, so couldn't flood test. So we're flood testing now. It's all filled up. Let it sit for 24 hours. Mark the level. Check it tomorrow.